Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install latest Ubuntu 24.04 server using Windows 10 from Oracle VM VirtualBox. This is Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Now I am trying to create server name is Ubuntu 24. This is folder for your server file location. This is location Ubuntu 24 ISO image, select other and point to your downloaded ISO. This is my 24 server ISO. Next, this is for installation username password. First time I am using this information. You can use as your username password. 2 GB RAM, processor 2, disk space 25 GB. You can use 20 GB, no problem. Next, and then finish. Now create this VM and then start this installation process. From here, another window. Now hit enter, or you can wait. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.04. This is installation process is coming. No problem, you can skip this error. This message after 10 seconds is done. Then coming Ubuntu 24. LTS Ubuntu server TT1. This is up and down using your keyboard. This is English, press enter. Layout English, variant English, US English. Just hit enter. This is network interface. I am not change. I am going to settings and then network and then use bridge network. Bridge network, that means my internet LAN get from this IP from my local network. Disconnect and then wait. Yes, now is new IP connected from my router, local area network. Hit enter, then hit enter. You can use BD archives or US archives. BD archives. Continue, then press tab from keyboard, then press done, then press done and then continue. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, continue. Your name, my name Technology RSS, only short name Tech, and server name Ubuntu 24, username, take, password 123, and then done. Enable Ubuntu Pro, no. Then continue. Just press spacebar for this package. Enable. Install OpenSSH server. Then press tab and then done, and then press tab, then select done and hit enter. Now installation process is running. If you want to see view log, you can tab and then enter. You can see your installation process from log file, and again press tab and close it. Now wait at least 5 or 10 minutes for complete installation process. So now I am pause my video for short time, and I will come back when installation done. Install done some package, configure apt, configure kernel, configure swap, applying network config, writing etc, if step, configure, install OpenSSH server, yes, installation done. Now select cancel and update and reboot this server, and remove this ISO from force unmount, and rebooting this server, or you can reset from menu tab, then this server reboot fastly. Server starting. Login username, take, and then type password. Yes, installation and login successfully done. Now sudo su root, using take password for Swiss root user, using sudo su root, and then type your take user password. I am checking server IP address and internet connectivity. Internet connectivity is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.